Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the another topic, forming numbers. Okay. Who is the oldest person in your family and the youngest one in your family? Yes, the oldest person may be your grandparent and the youngest one in your family may be you or your younger brother or sister, isn't it? We can also find the greatest and the smallest number from a set of digits. So today we are going to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number from a given set of digits. Okay. So the aim of today is to form greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using given digits. Now we are going to see that how to form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using given digits. The digits given for us is 6, 3, 5, 4. Okay, there are 4 digits are there. Using these 4 digits, we are going to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so as we are going to make the 4-digit number, we are also having the 4 digits with us, isn't it? That is 6, 3, 5, 4. So let us make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number without repeating the digits. Okay, let us start. To form the greatest 4-digit number, first we have to identify the greatest digit. Okay, that is the biggest number among all the digits, and that should be placed in the thousands place. Okay, then from the remaining number digits, we have to find the next greatest digit, that we need to place it in the hundreds place, and then so on. Let us see how to make a greatest number. So check the digits which is given here. That is 6, 3, 5, 4. As we are going to make the greatest number, identify the bigger digit or the greatest value from the given digits. That is 6, 3, 5, 4. Among all these 4 digits, which is the bigger number? 6, 3, 5, 4. Which is big number? 6. Okay, so the 6 should be placed in the thousands place. Okay, so remaining we have 3, 5, 4. Among these 3 number, which is the next bigger number? Yes, that is 5. That we need to place in the hundreds place. Okay, so remaining we have 2 digits. One is 3, the another one is 4. Which is the greater number, 3 or 4? Yes, 4. So the 4 should be placed in the tens place. Okay, so at last we have the digit 3. That 3 should place in the ones place. So the greatest number which we found here is 6543. Here when we make the greatest number also, we did not repeat any of the digits here, isn't it? So let us find the smallest number. Okay, to write the smallest digit, to find the smallest number, the smallest digit should be placed in the thousands place, and then the next digit at the hundreds place, and so on. Let us see how to make it. So again look at the digits which is given for us. That is 6, 3, 5, 4. Okay, as we are going to make the smallest number, so identify the smallest digit from here. Okay, among these 4 digits, which is the smallest one? 6, 3, 5, 4. Which is smallest one? Yes, 3. The 3 should place in the thousands place. Okay, so remaining rest of the numbers you check it. 6, 5, 4. Among these 3 number, which is the smallest one? Yes, 4. So the 4 should place in the hundreds place. Okay. Then we have the remaining 2 digits. One is 6, the another one is 5. So 6 and 5. Which is smaller one? Yes, that is 5. So 5 should place in the tens place. So we have the digit 6. That is the greatest number among all. That should place in the ones place. Okay. So the smallest number which we found here is 3456. Okay. So now we are going to make the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using these digits. We are having the 4 digits, that is 8, 0, 5 and 4. So we are going to make 4-digit number using these 4 digits without repeating, because we are having the 4 digits with us, right? 8, 0, 5 and 4. There are 4 digits are there. So with this we can make the 4-digit number. So let us make the smallest 4-digit number first. As already we discussed about how to make the smallest number. So identify the smallest number among all these 4 digits. So which is smallest one? 8 or 0 or 5 or 4. Which is the smallest one? 0. So 0 is the smallest one, isn't it? But you should not write the 0 in the thousands place. Okay. If you write the 0 in the thousands place, the number which you make will become 3-digit number. Okay. So the number will not begin with the 0 always. So in this way, what to do? We do if one of the digit is 0. So here what you have to do is leave the 0. Check the remaining numbers 8, 5, 4. From these 3 digits, which is the smallest one? 8, 5, 4. Which is smallest one? Yes, 4 is the smallest one, right? So the 4 you have to place it in the thousands place. Okay. Then 0 you have to place in the hundreds. Okay. Okay. Now we have to identify the next smallest number from the 8 and 5. So 8 and 5, which is the smallest one? Yes, 5 is the smallest one, right? So 5 should place in the tens place, and the last digit we have 8, that is the greatest number. So the 8 should place in the ones place. Okay, children, do remember that if any one of the digit is 0, that 0, when you are writing the smallest number, the 0 should not place in the thousands place. Okay, the 0 should place in the hundreds place. Okay. Now we will find the greatest number using the digits 8, 0, 5, 4. Okay. Okay. Again, as we discussed before, to form the greatest number from the given digit, we have to identify the greatest number. So which is the greatest number? 8, 0, 5, 4. Which is the greatest number? 8. So the 8 should place in the thousands place. Okay. So now we are having the 3 more digits, 0, 5, 4. Among these 3 digits, which is the next greatest one? Yes, 5. So the 5 we have to place in the hundreds place. Okay. So we are having the 2 more digits, 0 and 4. So 0 and 4. Which is the greater number? 4. Good. So we have only 1 digit left over with us, that is 0. So the 0 should place in the ones place. So the number which we get the greatest number is 8540. The smallest number is 4058. Okay. Now we are going to form the the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number from the given digits 3, 7 and 6. What is this? We are going to make a 4-digit number, but we are having only 3 digits over here. What to do? Okay, here I will give you one hint. Here you can repeat any one digit twice to make the 4-digit number. Okay, shall we see how to make it? Yes. So we are going to make the greatest number, right? So we are having only 3 digits with us, but we are going to form the 4-digit number. So how to do? So to find the greatest number, what we will do here is, we can repeat only one digit 2 times. So which digit can we repeat 2 times to make the greatest number? Let us see. So identify which is the greatest number among all these 3 numbers. 3, 7, 6. Which is the greatest digit? Yes, 7 is greatest digit, right? So the 7 we will repeat twice. So the 7 we will write in the thousands place, and the 7 we will write in the hundreds place also. Okay. So now we have 2 more digits with us. One is 3, the another one is 6. So among these 2 digits, which is the greatest one? Yes, 6. So the 6 we will place in the tens. Okay. So we have one more digit with us, that is 3. The 3 we will place it in the ones place. So the greatest number which we get it here is 7,763. Okay. Children, do remember that as we are having only 3 digits given for us, that is 3, 7, 6, only 3 digits are there with us, but we have to form the 4-digit number. So to make the greatest number, among all the 3 digits, which is the greatest one, that you can write it 2 times. Okay. So the same number, the thousands and the hundreds remains same for making the greatest number. Okay. Now let us see how to find the smallest number using these 3 digits. Okay, 3, 7, 6. Okay. As we are going to find the smallest number, okay, again here also we can repeat any one of the digit. From the given digits, we can repeat any one digit twice. Okay. So we are going to make the smallest number. First identify which is the smallest number. Here again 3, 7, 6. Which is the smallest one? Yes, 3 is the smallest one, right? So the 3 can be repeat 2 times. So the 3 we will write it in the thousands place as well as in the hundreds place. Okay. Okay. Now rest of the numbers we are having 7 and 6. From the 7 and 6, which is the smallest one? Yes, 6 is the smallest one. That should place it in the tens place, and we have only 7 with us. The 7 should place in the ones place. Okay. Children, do remember that when we are making the smallest number, if you have only 3 digits with us, only the smallest number can repeat twice. Okay. So the smallest number, identify and write it in the thousands and hundreds. So both thousands and hundreds will be same digit. Okay. Now everyone take out your maths notebook. Now we are going to form some more questions. We are going to form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits. Complete it. Afterwards we can check the answers. See to that in the question number A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits given for us. So from these 4 digits, we are going to make a 4-digit number. So no need to repeat any of the numbers. Okay. In question number B also, there are 4 digits given for us: 0, 2, 0, 7 and 1. We have 4 digits with us, so no need to repeat it. But only in the C question, we have 1, 2, 3, only 3 digits given for us. Here you have to repeat the digits and then form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, you can check your answer. Now open your workbook. Yes, 3 forming numbers. Question number 1, 2 you can do it. Question number 3, the last question, there is small correction over there. Question number 3, it is given, form the greatest and the smallest number with the digits 8, 7 and 1. Down it is given, do not repeat the digits. That you can strike out, because as we are having only 3 digits given here, we have to repeat 1 digit over there and then we have to form the greatest number and smallest number. Okay. So today's homework is from the content book, page number 11, lesson 3, question number 1, 2, 3. Okay. In the question number 2, write true or false. It is given. Question number A, if you read that, it is given the greatest number that can be formed with digits 7, 6, 3 and 9 is 9736. So you write the digits separately and identify the greatest number from that, and the given answer is true or false. You have to write it. Okay. Same way you have to complete all the questions. Okay. Thank you.